Want to build muscle faster? Then you need the right kind of protein, not just more of it. A combination of animal and plant-based proteins, along with other nutrients like complex carbohydrates and healthy fats, is most beneficial for muscle growth and recovery. Let's start with animal proteins. Lean meats like chicken and turkey breast give you high-quality, complete protein with low fat. Fish like salmon and tuna not only pack protein but also omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources on the planet, packed with essential amino acids like leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are high in protein and slow digesting, making them perfect for muscle repair, especially before bed. Plant-based? No problem. Lentils, chickpeas and beans are rich in protein and fiber. Tofu is a complete soy protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Nuts and seeds like almonds and pumpkin seeds add protein plus healthy fats which boost hormone production for muscle building. Whole grains like brown rice and oats aren't just carbs, they help deliver protein to your muscles by restoring glycogen. Carbs plus protein equals growth. Carbs are not the enemy, they're your workout energy source. Leafy greens like spinach and kale contain nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles. Protein smoothies with fruit, Greek yogurt, or protein powder are an easy way to hit your daily protein target, especially if you struggle to eat enough. Science shows the best results come from combining animal and plant proteins. This gives your body a wider range of amino acids, fiber, vitamins and minerals for peak performance. For muscle growth, aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Spread your protein across 3 to 4 meals, and include at least 20 to 30 grams per meal to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Eat smart, train hard, and your body will respond. Hit subscribe for more science-based fitness tips, and drop a comment if you want a full meal plan.